Okay, we're over here at gotomath.com. Click on the algebra. Let's go down to linear equations. And I believe we're looking at 10.2. Get that to come up. Alright, I thought I'd throw this in here. In the earlier sections here, we solved some linear equations. In fact, it was just one equation with one unknown. Now this is a linear equation, except you see the difference here. We have two unknowns, an x and a y. All right. Now we have another equation over here with an x and a y, and what we're going to end up doing here is we're going to use this equation to help us find the solution to this equation here. Okay, so if you've never seen this before, well, I guess this will be the first time, and it's not too difficult. Okay, so the idea is we want to get one of these equations all in terms of one variable, either x or y, and this method is known as substitution method, and that is we're going to substitute this y right here in for x plus 17. Alright, this way we get this all in terms of one variable. So let's just go ahead and come down here and write this out. Alright, so we have we use small something. What am I trying to say? Small width of the line. Anyway, so let's just go ahead and write this out. So we have 6x plus 6y is equal to 198. All right, and then of course we have y equaling x plus 17. X plus 17. I think actually I am going to go to a little thicker there with the line. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this x plus 17 and plug it in right here. Plug it in right here, okay? So we end up with 6x plus 6 times x plus 17 is equal to 198. Is equal to 198. And now what we want to do here is solve for x. Solve for x. So 6x plus, distribute that 6 across, we have 6x plus 6 times 17 is equal to 198, right? And then of course we want to collect up all our like terms. 6x and 6x is 12x, and that is going to be equal to 198 minus 6 times 17. So let's see, that's 60 and it's 42, 102. I don't know. Let's see, 198 minus 6 times 17. 198 minus 6 times 17. You know, I got a calculator up here, might as well use it. 96. 96, 12x. So we end up with 96 over something happened there, not sure what. Something went crazy. Yeah, this thing's going crazy for some reason. Okay. Let's see if I can get this thing to work. Over 12. All right. And of course we can reduce that down, I'm sure. And let's see, 8. Okay, reduce down to 8. So x is 8. Now the question is, what is y? We need to know what is y. Well, we can take this 8 now and plug it right on in up here to y, which is x plus 17. Y is equal to x plus 17. So this becomes 8 plus plus 17. And so there we go. We found the two solutions, 8 and 25. Now up here in the box, of course it doesn't say this anymore, but they wanted us to put in the x first, comma, and then the y. Correct. Okay. So it's kind of a little bit of an advanced problem there, but it's not too difficult to solve. All right. There you go. Solving linear equations. More than one variable. Okay, so we're over here at gotomath.com. You want to come on by, check that out, and I'll see you later.